Let's see how to hide your birthday on Facebook for iPhone. Just open the Facebook app. And here on profile, you're gonna see the settings, or here on the top. Let me just tap here on the top and I look for settings and privacy. In here, settings. Then just scroll down until you find audience and visibility. And here you see the profile details. Tap on it. And from here, you're gonna see your birth date. So just come down until you find it. There we go. Then I just need to tap here and I can change. So I can select here if my friends can see it or only me. And also I can change the birthday here, right? If I want to change the year and the month and the day, I can just change it here. So pretty basic. You just need to come here and select what you want to be visible for the public, friends, or just only me. Then you just hit done and you're good to go. That's the way you can hide your birthday on Facebook. I hope you like it. Please leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.